Hi, my name is Jeff. Hey, today we're going to talk about converting a spreadsheet using just a simple spreadsheet and displaying it through a Power BI dashboard. This is really simple stuff. We're going to go through it like a cookbook so that you can get every single piece and pause the video and take down notes if you like. And if you want a copy of the cookbook, just contact me. I'm happy to send it to you. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right to it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to convert a spreadsheet into a Power BI dashboard. And a lot of times we're working with spreadsheets in our environment and we want to just make them look a little nicer. We want them to consistently have the same look. Now we can create this inside of the spreadsheet as well with different graphs and things of that nature. But using Power BI, now I can just dump it in there, and then every single time that spreadsheet updates, for example, I can just replace that source file and boom, all the graphics and everything work. It works pretty slick. So let's see what we need to do to get started. So in this example, I've received a file. We're going to take it from the beginning. I've received a file in an email message, and I've gone ahead and just downloaded this file into a local directory, and I happen to be putting it into the downloads directory. Now, we want to name, the first thing we want to do is we want to name the file consistently every single time. What we can't do is say that you receive, in this example, master TRA. We don't want to name it a specific day or time or a number version, because the Power BI desktop, the environment that you're creating, is going to look specifically for that very specific name. So you want to make sure the name stays the same. Okay, so in this case, we're downloading this. We want to make sure it's the same. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that we have Power BI desktop. Now, if you're not using Power BI desktop, that's fine. You can use the web version, although I strongly suggest, and I have the link right here, download the desktop. It will make your life a lot easier, and it's very simple to use. Once you got the desktop up and loaded, you're going to click there on Get Data. Pretty simple. Now, when we get the data, it's going to pop up. Now, usually this spreadsheet here is on the top of the list, and you can see here Excel Workbook. We're just going to type in Excel Workbook, or we could hit Import Data from Excel. Either case, we're going to hit Connect. Pretty easy there so far. Now we're going to select the training. Excuse me, this happens to be a training file, but we're going to select this file, okay? And that looks good. And then here we go, Master Trainer. And all we're going to do is click on it, and then there it is right there, number 2. So we can look at the table view of your imported data, and that's about it. Now we can begin to develop all of our graphics and things like that we need to do. We're not going to go through how to create those graphics, but then when you're done with the file, just go ahead and save it and use it in the future. Good luck.